Hello guys, I want to show you how to buy the Istanbul card. Let me show you. This is a Istanbul card which you can use for the tram, for the ferry, for the bus, for all the transport. And we bought it. You can see here is the flags, different flag. From the top one button you have to press like this. Now is in English. So if you want to buy card, you have to press this one. This to buy card.
Istanbul card.
So now when it comes, there is a time, there is a card, how many card you want, there is no money, so you have to insert the 20 or 10 lira, whatever you want. So the price of the card is 10 lira, and the top up is up to you how much you want to top up. When you insert money here, then the card will come through this way and you will collect your card. If you want to top up, you will go back, press that one first to show in English. This is English. This is Istanbul top up. This is the button. So now you have to touch. You have to touch the card, and here you can see that is showing that how much is in the card. Then you can put the money here, how much you want to top up. So this is the cheapest and easiest way to travel in Istanbul. Thank you. Here we are on the same Sultan Ahmed area, and we are going towards the Blue Mosque. This is a famous Istanbul Blue Mosque. Is famous because inside they use the blue marble, so that's why the mostly people call it Blue Mosque. But the actual name of this mosque is Ahmed Sultan Mosque, and this is surrounded area. And for here you can also view Hagia Sophia. And for here we are entering the Blue Mosque area. Here is the introduction of the Blue Mosque. Sultan Ahmed Mosque is the real name. But the mostly people call it Blue Mosque because they use, as I told you, they use the blue marble inside. This is the main entrance. We are entering now Ahmed Sultan Mosque. Sultan Ahmed. Here we have to remove our shoes. I'm removing my shoes here.
Welcome you.
MashaAllah.
Ayakkabı poşeti. Paket.
Here is the model for Ahmed Sultan Mosque.
Ben gideyim hatta sağlayayım. Sen buradasın. Karavanın diktir sayısı ve sakinleştir.
शाह हवाएं चल रही हैं।
You can see the cat here in the mosque.
Ania.
Here is Mr. Sheikh is coming. We have to keep silent because it's a mosque. This is a beautiful evening scene of Hagia Sophia. From here, I'm going down around that whole area. Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque is very near. And as you can see, this is Blue Mosque. This is the most popular area where the people come for their pictures, for videos. And this is the most famous area for tourists. This is a beautiful winter evening, 20 December of 2020. It's quite windy and cold weather, and we are really enjoying the Istanbul. We are here in the Sultan Ahmed area near the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia, and this is the very famous coconuts of Istanbul. And here is Millie's also. They are selling in two ways. One is the roasted one. This is the roasted one, and this is boiled one. It's up to one which one you like. And this is today's price.
Water?
400 grams,
No water.
10 lira.
Hello, yes please.
Sorry, can I have also
200?
grams?
200, 100.
200 for 20 liters.
Yes, okay.
And Mr. Sheikh is already start eating. While he is eating, let me show you the surrounding area of Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia.
Little bit, yeah. Yeah, I know. But, oh, so good. Oh, like this.